In this tutorial, I'll show you how to see search history on DuckDuckGo. By the end, you'll know how to confirm whether DuckDuckGo has any search history saved and where to view your past DuckDuckGo searches using your browser history. First, open your browser. Make sure you're in a regular browsing window so your history can be checked. Next, go to https://duckduckgo.com. Click into the address bar, type the URL, and press Enter. Now, click the menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the DuckDuckGo page. Select Settings. This opens DuckDuckGo's preferences. From here, look for Search History. On this page, you're confirming whether DuckDuckGo itself keeps a record you can view. DuckDuckGo is privacy-focused and does not store a personal search history on its servers, so you won't find a list of your past searches here. Once that's done, open your browser history. Press Ctrl+H on your keyboard to open the History panel or page. At this point, view your past searches there. Look through the list for entries from DuckDuckGo.com. Many browsers show the search terms right in the page title or in the URL next to Q equals, which represents the query you typed. Click any entry to revisit that search. If you don't see recent searches, it usually means the browser didn't save them. For example, if history is disabled or you were searching in private mode. That's it. You've confirmed DuckDuckGo doesn't save a server-side search history, and you've located your DuckDuckGo searches in your browser's history, so you can review or reopen them as needed. Everything is now set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.